a small locale bounded by mountains, and the Amburayan River, the famous setting of the Ilocano epic, Biag ni Lamang.
To travel alone is hard, but witnessing the beauty of my hometown, seeing those smiles, this is just the beginning.
Sabay-sabay lang. Bitawag mo na lahat. Ikot mo.
Watching them making handicrafts, learning from people who do it best, it's a great experience and asking for more. It's not just a destination itself, but it's more about the experience, the people you meet, and the memories that you make.
This is the journey of self-discovery, the importance of never forgetting where you came from and all the traditions that make you who you are. Humbled to present to you the home of quality bamboo industry in Region 1, headed by Honorable Mayor Wendy Joy D. Bukin.
At this age pa lang, alam niyo na kung ano yung gusto ng passion sa buhay. And dapat sundin mo kayo nasa puso. Yun lang, yun lang.
This is Divina Marie Ortiz Villanueva, your Miss SUDIPEN 2020.